This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from your Android phone to your iPad or vice versa very easily with just USB. So if you have this little USB drive that's formatted to EXFAT or FAT32, if it's formatted NTFS, probably won't work and you'll need a computer. And I have this little adapter that's USB to USB-C, or I have this end right here that's just USB-C. And then I can plug this into my Android phone. So let's just do my Android phone for example. And then plug this in and then swipe up and go to Files. So let's swipe up and go to Files. Type in Files down here at the bottom, Files. Go to My Files or Files. Then you can see the USB storage device on here. We want to go to an image or something like that. So let's go to one of these images. And we can select all the images too. And then we want to move this or copy it to the USB storage device. So right here, you can come up with a folder name if you want. I'm just going to go copy here. Okay, so I just copy it here. So if you want to go the other way, just go to your USB storage, find it, and then you can copy it back to the phone. So let's go on over to my iPad now, and then just plug this in, just like this. And you want to do the same thing, you just want to go to Files. So this should be detected soon. And there's an extra step on here because it is an iPad, so we want to go all the way to the right, go to App Library and type in Files. So here's Files, then go to this little box, tap on your USB device. Now locate the images. I think I put in DCIM. So here's the image, I think. And now what we want to do is share this. And we want to share it to save image. Now when you save the image, it should save to your iPad. So we can go to this, share, save image. So it should be somewhere on here now. And you should be able to locate on my iPad right there. I can see it. Now if it's on your iPad, what we want to do is send this to a different location. We want to move it. We want to move it to our storage. So it's not saved in like the gallery yet. It's just saved in files right now. So we want to move this to. We want to move it, save image one more time, and allow. Okay, now it's going to move it to our gallery. So we moved it twice. Then we go back over to Photo Gallery, and you can see I have it like 4 times on here. So if you move it to Files, you got to move it to Photos from there, and then you should be able to get it in your gallery. So if that makes any sense, it's a lot easier to move stuff out than in. So if you want to move something over to your files, so you can share it or move it to a USB, you just have to tap on this, and there should be an option to share. And then all you have to do is export. Nope, that's not it. You want to go down here, save to files, and then you'll save it to the files. I don't know why they make it so confusing. But once it's saved in the files, you can move it over to your USB device then. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.